For more than 6 decades, Joseph Leslie and Company has been designing and manufacturing safety equipment indigenously and in collaboration with Draeger, a high-technology manufacturer of safety equipment based in Germany. Joseph Leslie and Company is the parent company to Joseph Leslie Draeger, specialists in high-tech gas detection equipment and breathing protection apparati, and to Unicare emergency equipment, specialists in emergency eye washes and showers. Joseph Leslie and Company focuses on providing solutions to a whole range of industrial safety problems and needs precisely to a customer's requirements and expressed specifications. This focus has been the driving force behind the development of the Leslico LSRL-1, a safety rooftop ladder system that ensures worker safety whilst building or maintaining a fragile roof surface. Using this ladder system allows the distribution of the worker's weight over several saddles, ensures that the worker's weight is transferred equally to the roof's load-bearing structure rather than onto the roof's fragile areas. The ladder system permits a linear coverage of 10.5 meters from any point on a corrugated or truffered roof made from asbestos cement sheeting or galvanized iron. Ensures the safety of the worker, cuts down expenditure on medical treatment or worker compensation against injury and accident claims, prevents the likelihood of a factory lockout or shutdown taking place due to worker injury or death, enables quick and effective maintenance plans and schedules for fragile roof surfaces. Damaged roofs are cause for work time inconvenience and expense. With the ladder system, damage to fragile roof surfaces on warehouses, sheds, factories or industrial galas are prevented. The ladder is made from sturdy, extruded, lightweight aluminum with a sliding device, elevating pads and quick action clamps. Each unit comprises of ladder segments 3 meters in length, 3 numbers, half ladder segment 1.5 meter in length, 1 number, working platforms 0.6 meters in length, 3 numbers, quick action clamps 25 numbers, elevating pads 15 numbers, safety belt with pouch, 3 meter lifeline and screw hook 1 number. Each of the ladder segments and the working platforms are equipped with black footrests and sliding devices made from glass-filled nylon, orange saddles made from HDP and EVA with a rubber coating below. The orange saddles may be placed parallel to the ladder's aluminum rods or perpendicular to the aluminum rods. The elevating pads are also made from glass-filled nylon. The ladder comes in 2 forms appropriate for use on a corrugated or on a truffered roofing surface. The surface on which the ladder system is to be put to use must be specified at the time of purchase. Now you will see the ladder system in use. Undertaking any kind of work, maintenance or construction on a fragile rooftop is risky. Any person working on such a roof should be provided with a safety belt complete with lifeline and screw hook. Each Leslico safety rooftop ladder system comes with 1 safety belt. Additional safety belts must be acquired and used should your maintenance work require the services of more than 1 worker. The screw hook must be used to anchor the worker to an immovable object. This must be done before the worker even attempts to put the ladder onto the fragile roof surface. A working platform is placed onto the corrugated roof surface. The worker must fit the sliding orange saddles perfectly over the J-bolts on the corrugated sheets. This will ensure that the working platform is firmly fixed onto the roof. The working platform need not be clamped to the J-bolts. The worker now moves onto the roof and while standing on the first working platform, places the second working platform onto the roof firmly. The half ladder measuring 1.5 meters in length, is passed to the worker on the roof. The half ladder is placed on the roof and firmly clamped onto the J-bolts. One quick clamp is used for every available J-bolt. The half ladder now provides a safe and steady surface to work on. Next, a ladder segment measuring 3 meters in length is passed to the workman on the roof. This ladder is placed with the connector end facing forward. It is then clamped into place. The working platforms must be used to move safely on the roof whilst trying to maneuver a 3-meter ladder segment into position. The second 3-meter ladder segment is placed onto the fragile roof surface above the first. The rear end of the second 3-meter segment is slid into the connector end of the first 3-meter ladder segment. It is also secured in place using the quick action clamps. In a similar manner, the third 3-meter ladder segment is also put into place and secured. The ladder now effectively covers 10.5 meters of roof surface. If the ladder still falls short of the area that the worker is trying to reach, the worker may proceed to unclamp the 1.5 meter half ladder at the base and then use it to reach the designated spot on the corrugated roof surface. Each of the ladder segments and the working platforms are equipped with orange saddles that may be placed parallel to the ladder's aluminium rods or at a 90-degree angle to the aluminium rods. Placing the saddles at a 90-degree angle to the aluminium rods will allow a worker to use the ladder to move across a roof safely. The roof can effectively be covered for 10.5 meters in this direction also. A workman may anchor himself using the 3-meter lifeline to one of the ladder segments. This is useful if he has to work nearby along that particular ladder segment. On an inclined roof, the ladder needs to be secured at an angle that is parallel to the ground and not following the roof's incline. Elevating pads, 15 in number, provided with the Leslico rooftop ladder system, are used for this purpose. Each orange saddle is clamped atop an elevating pad. The ladder, so effectively secure, may be kept on a rooftop over long periods of time for regular maintenance. It is necessary to further appreciate and stress the old saying, "Prevention is better than cure." A serious or fatal accident may definitely be averted if all employers and workers in an industrial context comply with industry safety norms and standards. This is ensured with the use of efficient and reliable equipment designed precisely to meet that need. Joseph Leslie and Company, industrial safety engineers, will fulfill those needs. Today, Joseph Leslie and Company is synonymous with industrial safety in India.